here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Everyday challenges. We begin devising brilliant hacks that would have been unthinkable otherwise. Perhaps you're preparing budget-friendly gourmet meals or crafting furniture that rivals high-end catalog pieces. It's like a treasure hunt for ingenuity. Hold on, wealth builders, there's more to this. The exciting part is how being broke can turn into resourcefulness. Imagine witnessing a superhero's origin story. Listen closely. As your king, let me tell you that embracing financial limitations reveals a whole new set of superpowers. Suddenly, you'll uncover talents you didn't even know you had. You might excel at negotiations, create something from nothing, or transform thrift store finds into masterpieces. Who knew being broke could unlock such extraordinary gifts? It's like embarking on a thrilling journey of self-discovery, where we unearth our hidden potential, don't you think? But that's not where the talent stopped, dear wealth builders. Remember those moments when you thought, if only I had time to learn this skill? Well, guess what? You've got all the time now. Just add some dedication and a pinch of creativity, and being financially challenged becomes the fuel for nurturing these hidden talents and refining skills that set us apart from the crowd. So, my fellow wealth builders, let's virtually raise our glasses to the incredible force of resourcefulness and creativity. Embrace those hurdles, conquer that tight budget, and and let your flag of innovation fly high. Always remember your king's words. It's not about what's missing, but what you can craft from what's present. And who knows, this journey might guide you to a life filled with unforeseen joy, undeniable success, and a colorful tapestry of experiences. It's time to shine as the resourceful, inventive, and unstoppable wealth builders that we genuinely are. Next on our list is the benefit of being financially responsible. Wealth builders, exploring the world of handling money responsibly is like going on an exciting journey that can change the way we see things. Imagine facing a time when money is tight. It's like a wise teacher showing us important lessons about money and how we use it. When we don't have a lot of money, or let's simply say when we are broke, it helps us learn how important each dollar is. We start thinking about how much effort it takes to earn money, and we become cautious about what we spend it on. It's like receiving a new pair of glasses that assist us in seeing what's truly valuable. Wise words from your king, right? Well, wealth builders, being broke also teaches us some valuable skills. One of these skills is creating a money plan, also known as budgeting. Let me tell you, I won't ever tire of discussing and promoting budgeting, wealth builders. Remember what your king emphasized in our previous videos? Budgeting is a crucial part of planning how to spend our money wisely, ensuring our needs are met and we still have some left over. It's a bit like being the CEO of our money. That's how crucial it is. To sum up, dear wealth builders, the experience of being broke is both demanding and life-changing. It brings us crucial lessons about money's worth and the importance of handling finances responsibly. It teaches us to be mindful of our financial decisions, to develop good financial habits, and of course, to prioritize our spending based on our goals and values. But before we reveal the ultimate perk of being broke, my fellow wealth builders, let me, your king, request something. Could you kindly share a meaningful life lesson you've gained from your experiences with being broke that's impacted your journey positively? Drop your thoughts below and let's motivate each other. Now, let's circle back to the last part of the video. Now, let's chat about the last benefit of having a tight budget. It's all about motivation and an unyielding desire to succeed. Picture this, fellow wealth builders. You're in a tough spot with limited funds, and the road ahead seems tough. But guess what? Trust your king when I say this very situation can ignite an unwavering determination within you, propelling you toward remarkable achievements you never deemed achievable. You see, wealth builders, when we're going through tough times with money, it's like life is giving us a little nudge to tap into our hidden abilities. Not having a lot of resources pushes us to think creatively, go beyond what's usual, and explore new ways to become better versions of ourselves. Does your king's point of view make sense to you? Wealth builders, take a look at all those successful people out there, the icons who have made it big. You'll be surprised to find that many of them credit their humble beginnings as the driving force behind their determination and ambition. They often tell stories of eating instant noodles for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or even using a cardboard box as their first makeshift office. It's as if they're saying, hey, if I can go from ramen to riches, so can you. Isn't that motivating? Now, envision the tale of a self-made millionaire who started with nothing but unwavering determination and an unstoppable will to succeed. Take Oprah Winfrey's journey, for instance. She emerged from poverty and faced countless challenges. Yet, despite her challenging upbringing, Oprah never allowed her circumstances to mold her identity. Instead,